In this video, I'm showing you how I pack for 2 weeks of winter travel essentials in a carry-on and how I create 14 outfits from 12 classic pieces plus accessories. The goal is simple: stay comfortable, stay warm, and look put together in photos. I will show you the exact item I bring for 2 weeks and how I style them. Let's start with the tops. I bring 3 sweaters, all in cashmere and wool, so they're lightweight but can keep me really warm in cold temperature. A polo sweater in navy blue for a slightly polished look. A crew neck sweater for easy everyday layering. A V-neck cardigan that can be dressed up or down. I also pack a blue striped button-down shirt. It layers beautifully underneath wear and instantly make the outfit look more intentional. For base layer, I packed 2 sets of ultra thin heat tech that add warmth without any bow. One is turtleneck, which changed the neckline and give me a more elevated winter look. Another is a scoop neck, which disappears under everything so I can stay warm no one even knows it's there. Next, bottoms. I keep this simple with 3 pairs that covers comfort, polish, and everyday wear. First, wide leg sweatpants with a center seam. They feel like loungewear, but the seam makes them look more structured in photos. Second, tailored navy pants. These are my elevated option, and navy pairs perfectly with everything in the winter palette. Third, classic blue jeans. They're my default for working days and works very well with every top I'm bringing. I'm bringing 2 pairs of shoes, white sneakers, and black Chelsea boots. Both are comfortable for walking long distances. Outerwear. I will bring 2. A dark gray color long coat. It is the warmest and bulkiest piece, so I'll wear it on a travel day, but it instantly makes the outfit look more elevated. I will pack another black leather jacket. From the texture, style, and color, it gives a different vibe. It works well from day to night. Between the two, I can handle cold weather but still change the look of the same basic outfit. Now, accessories. This is the way I make the most outfit varieties and look polished without taking up too much space. I bring 2 scarf and glove sets, one in red color for pop-out color, one in white for a clean classic look, one belt to sharpen the silhouette, and one hat for warmth and for that finished winter look in photos. This is my 2-week travel capsule wardrobe. Now I'll show you how I turn them into 14 outfits. Now let's pack everything up. On travel day, I will wear the polo sweater with sweatpants and sneakers. I'll pack the rest in my suitcase along with my other travel essentials. I roll my sweaters and pants to save space and prevent deep wrinkles. Then I pack the sweater, shirt, and base layers into a packing cube so they stay neat and organized. For my leather jacket, I turn it inside out, fold it gently, and place it in a plastic bag to prevent scratches and scuffs. Here's everything that's going into my carry-on. I place structured items like my boots at the bottom to create a stable base. I tuck small items into the gaps so nothing wastes space. Even with my camera set in the suitcase, everything fits nicely and stays organized. I hope this video will inspire you to pack lighter for your next trip. If you find it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video.